Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to uninstall an app update in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to uninstall the updates. Now after opening the app, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on uninstall updates. Now here click on OK to confirm. So when you will click on OK, it will replace this app with the factory version. So that's how you can uninstall an app update in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.